charity. What you give, you receive. In this case, it is money. Put this to the test, and you will see financial miracles appear out of nowhere. Charity is not about giving $1 to a homeless person on the street, because as soon as he says, "Thank you," the ego keeps the light of your money, the man keeps the money, and you keep only the recognition, but nothing more. Giving money to someone you know is just a nice thing to do, but has no spiritual rewards. In the game, if you land on this square, you have the option to donate 10% of your cash on hand. Then you will take a charity token and keep it with you, so when you pass or land on a paycheck or cash out, you will collect twice as much. At that time, you hand in your charity token. You can only trade one charity token at a time. The token must be exchanged as soon as you land into paycheck or cash out, whichever comes first. Cash out. This box is the one that pays you the most. Suppose you land in cash out and have assets such as opportunities and active ideas. In that case, you must first classify the ones that have pairs, then check if you have charity tokens. The cash out is doubled for having the couple and double again for having a charity chip. The cash out option is also hidden behind any fear squares you have overcome. If you land on any cash out but have no investments, nothing happens, and you just wait for your next turn.